When we looked at the immune response titer of 1 to 160 against global H for IgG seemed to correlate with a better progression-free survival compared to either the non-responders in the treated group or the placebo saline-treated patients. All of the patients received low-dose cyclophosphamide, so you already had a drug which may have some anti-tumor effect or immunomodulatory effect. And this is quite interesting hypothesis-generating data. And now what we need to do is confirmatory studies to try and figure out which patient population really mounted an immune response and benefited, and also how we can amplify that population to better understand who responds. So I think that we've made an incremental step forward in trying to further the evaluation of vaccines and looking at immune response and trying to see whether or not we can identify a group of patients who will benefit from a vaccine that targets a known antigen on tumor cells.